Double Take Auto Supply in Fremont. Our work is done on this beautiful Porsche Taycan in the house, and this is our repeat customer. He always brings his vehicles to us for protection. He went with our new Porsche double protection package, paint protection film on the high impact areas, the hood, front bumper, and side fenders, and then ceramic coating on the doors on back, as well as our ceramic heat reduction window tint. Check that out, you guys. Gave this Porsche a nice, bold look. Check that out. And then our ceramic coating gave the paint a beautiful shine. It's going to be super easy to clean, offers great UV protection, no more waxing for the duration that he selected. So, I mean, totally great benefits. And who would not want to enjoy this beautiful shine, you guys? And then check out this window tint. Our ceramic heat reduction window tint not only gave this Porsche a nice, cool look, but it's going to be super cool inside his ride. And then for you guys that don't know what a paint protection film is, it's the actual clear film that we placed on the high impact areas. Again, the hood, front bumper, and side fenders, because this is where we can guarantee rock chips will happen, the bug guts, all of the elements on the road. But now he doesn't have to worry about it because he protected it with our 10-year paint protection film. And so we wrap all the edges. This is why we were featured in Fremont Porsche magazine, because of our great installations. So when you want to learn more about the best protection for your vehicle, just feel free to contact us here at Double Take Auto Supply in Fremont.